Welcome to the course Artificial Intelligence with Python, Deep Neural Networks by Pratik Joshi, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Helen Lloyd, and I will be the presenter of this course. This course will help you with object detection and tracking, handwriting recognition, and similarly useful functions. Pratik Joshi is an artificial intelligence researcher, published author of 5 books, and TEDx speaker. He is the founder of Pluto AI, a venture-funded Silicon Valley startup building an analytics platform for smart water management, powered by deep learning. He frequently writes on topics such as artificial intelligence, Python programming, and abstract mathematics. He graduated from University of Southern California with a master's degree specializing in artificial intelligence. You can learn more about him on his personal website at www.pratikj.com. Deep learning is a growing technology that is trained after the human brain to behave like it. They solve a lot of real-world problems like object detection, recognition, and tracking. This course has a concept example code approach to get you acquainted with deep learning algorithms and networks. In the first section, we will start with optical flow, face tracking, and eye tracking. The next section will be about building an OCR to recognize handwritten characters. In the third section, we will finally learn about reinforcement learning and create an environment. The final section will teach us to build the learning agent that learns from interacting with the environment. For this course, you need the latest version of Python installed on your system and a webcam. So, let's get started with it.